me you all. Today I am going to present an analysis of international taxation in Peru with an emphasis on how non-resident taxpayers are taxed. This topic is relevant because more and more foreign individuals and companies are generating income tax from the country, whether by providing service, granting license, or through digital operations. A non-resident is any natural or legal person who is neither resident nor incorporated in Peru, although they are not subject to tax on their global tax income. They must pay tax in Peru on the Peruvian source income they obtain. This is based on the source criterions regulated by the income tax law. Some common examples are advertising or consultant service provided from abroad, royalties for the use trademarks of softwares, interest on loans granted to Peruvian companies, and now more frequently digital services such as streaming, influencer marketing, or subscriptions. Likewise, SUNAT requires the person who pays the income tax that is the Peruvian resident to act as withholding agent. This means they must calculate the tax deducted from the payment to the non-resident and declare it to SUNAT. To the rate depends on type income. By the most common is 30%. Today we face several challenges. One of them is that many digital services lack is a physical presence which complicates their oversight. For example, when a Peruvian company contracts a social media company, while a foreign influence or buy subscription to a platform, income is generated from a Peruvian source, but the tax is not always well held appropriately. The law does not yet fully address the concept of a digital establishment or specific methods for test models. Therefore, it is recommended to modernize the regulatory framework, align it with OECD standards, and establish mechanisms that guarantee collection without affecting investment. In short, Peru tax non-resident on the income they generate in the country. This includes both traditional and digital service. SUNAT, National Tax Administration Service, has the role of overseeing and requiring withholding, but is essential that the legislation evolve to adapt to new business models and ensure fair, effective, and modern taxation. Thank you very much for your attention.